So I guess, guys, we get to have a little fun here. Looks like my video recorded without any audio, so yay, that's great. So here's me getting all excited about this box for Drone Drop October 2018. Look at that shirt. I think it makes my muscles look bigger, right? That's what it says. So we got some newbie drone goggle foam, which I currently already have, and they seem to be very good and comfortable. So that's great. Let's see what else we got in the box. I know I'm talking. we got a transmitter strap. Really like this one. I haven't had one yet. I've been wanting to get one of them. I heard it was the best of the best. I've already currently got one, but we'll try it out and see how good it goes. And here's me showing you a clip, how it clips. Well, that ain't that great. Basically lets you detach your transmitter. Say you want to go pick up your quad, not carry your transmitter with you, or you wanted to go change out your battery or something like that. But I'm just here rambling. Yeah, look at me talking. That's funny, ain't it? Yeah, own commentary. Yes, great. All right, let's see what's next. Oh, we got a battery strap from Newbie Drone. That's good. Yeah, didn't have much to say about that one. Then we've got, I don't know what's next. We got some Nd8 filters or whatever, Nd8 filters for the GoPros, which I'm telling you, I don't have a GoPro. I use the Runcam 2, so I probably won't be using them. Let's see what else I've got. Okay, I'm telling you that might have multiple different props here, but they're all the same props. I've got a green color and a blue color. There are 5.1 by 4.1 by 3 HQ durable props. I really prefer at least a 4.5, so I don't know, I may try them. It may make the difference being a 5.1, we'll see. Just for anyone y'all checking in, yes, this is not a lip sync. Yeah, I didn't record my audio. Alright, we got some more stickers. I'm telling you that, hey, we've got some more Team Black Sheep stickers, but yeah, that one box there is pretty cool looking, almost like a Halloween theme, so that's pretty cool. Let's see what else we got here. So we got the Typhoon 4-in-1 ESC. It's a 30 amp ESC. It is good for 6S. I am looking to see what version this is, because I think I just used the version 2 or 4 or something like that. That has the pads sort of like the Acon ESC. This current version of the Typhoon has the race flight type ESC pads on it. So it's definitely, I don't know if it's a BL Helio 32 or not. I do know that it has one current sensor on it, or not one for each one of the ESCs. So I guess we'll find out when we install it. But I heard that the Airbot ESCs are pretty good, and the one that I currently have seems to be good. Kind of bites that's a couple versions behind, but hey, I will do it. But anyways, thanks a lot, Drone Drop. This is what I'm kind of telling you right here. Thanks a lot, Drone Drop, and this was a great box. Yep, there you go, version 1.1. This is a great box, and it's really good value for the money. So thank you very much, and well, I thanks all y'all for checking out my channel. Hopefully this dubbed audio is a little funny for you. I tried to keep it entertaining, but I was also trying to do this video very quick. So here you go. Y'all have a great day, and thank you very much for watching. La Rock out.
Make the ground shake.